How to fix Epson printer error 00041. This error is usually caused by a paper jam, print head cartridge blockage, paper feed problem, sensor issue, or ink cartridge problem, depending on the printer model. So the first thing that you need to do is open all access doors and look for torn paper scraps, labels, staples, dust buildup, and foreign objects. Even a tiny piece of paper can trigger the error. Now with the printer powered off, open the print cover, carefully check if the print head carriage is blocked, remove any debris, and ensure the carriage can move freely. A stuck carriage is one of the most common causes of this error. Third, remove all cartridges. Check that they're compatible with your printer, clean the cartridge contacts gently, and reinstall each cartridge firmly until it clicks. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.